Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing just fine. I am back, and it's tea time at home, and I am having my usual green tea. And let me put on my I am at home wristband so that you can understand what I mean. It was clear on my last video that wait, I will adjust the camera a bit. Okay, so in my last video, I mentioned that when I have this band on, it means that I am at my most comfortable space and that I'm doing what I love to do and that I make sure that everything is fine with me. So I just, you know, so my mother, she went to a neighbor's place and she loves to pick up snacks from them. They sell snacks for a living, and yes, there has been some issues at the family, and I mean at the family of the neighbors, not in my home. So this is something that we wish to speak about, right? Thank God, right? Not, I mean, to all of you out there, believers, non believers, toxic people, narcissists, people who thank God without knowing what is God, and of course, atheists. Let us just take some time away and be happy. Like, let us cheer to that we have got a family. Nothing is wrong in our household. We are, you and your parents, or probably if you're married, you and your spouse, you and your children are holding it together despite COVID, despite history, despite education, lack of education, despite hunger, lack of hunger, despite medicines, doctors, lack of doctors, despite knowing a lot of languages, not knowing a lot of languages, despite everything, right? That you are holding on together, that you are uh, by each other's side. That is something that we can work for, right? So, I'll show you the snacks that my mom picked up. Here is some, um, what can I say? It is some corn fritters with some spicy stuff. In Bengali, we call it, just a moment. মা মা ঝালমুড়ির সাথে ওইটাকে কি বলে গো? হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট থিং কল? ওটাকে কি বলে গো যেটা ঝালমুড়ির সাথে আমরা খাই? চানাচুর. So this is called chanachur, and it has got some corn fritters like these cornflakes deep fried in spicy oil. So thank you, Mama. So my mom went to the neighbor's house, and we buy our snacks from them. This is another kind of jhalmuri, and it is called sheo bhaja in Bengali. And this is also, in Bengali, this is called chire bhaja, and this, it has some corn fritters. And which one is ঘটি গরম? Oh, this one is called ঘটি গরম. So মানে এটা গরম করে এটাই দেয়, তাই না? So in the evening, sometimes when we have some lakes and parks in our area, you go and you visit, you will find that there are some people out there who are selling this ghoti garam. Like, it is precisely this thing, a mix of chanachur, some fried nuts, uh, some corn fritters, and they heat it up in a coal oven and they sell it. Amazing, isn't it? People do things for a living, and that is a reality. So this one is called nimki, and in Bengali it is called nimki. I'm not sure what it is called in Hindi and other languages. And this one is called chal bhaja. Like, you fry the rice grains in a hot wok or a korai. So sometimes they put sand and what is that, sand and salt, I think, and they fry it in a wok or a karai without oil. So it is called shukno kolai bhaja. Aha ki moja. So aha ki moja in Bengali means wow, amazing, right? So yeah, and that is pretty much it. And here is another. I can't show you the name of the company. So they also sell candies. That is amazing. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Whew. So I'm pretty hungry after showing you these snacks. And what is your favorite snack? Just let us know. It would be great. Also, there is another thing that is coming to my mind. I wish you could, like visit these neighbors and buy things from them. It would be of great help. But they are just, you know, they are not like they buy things from other sellers and they sell it to the local shops. That is how they, you know, that is how they make a living. Make a living means to earn their way through money. Stay tuned for more.